Since I was younger, I've always wanted to help people. However, I never imagined I'd be able to do so as an engineer, designing medical products that change lives. But here I am, working on products that make life more rewarding and dignified for those who use our products and services. If you're a woman thinking about a career in engineering, I just want to say, go for it. I get it. Engineering can seem intimidating, especially when it's often seen as a male-dominated field. But here's the truth, we need more women in STEM. More perspectives, more problem solvers, more people like you. An apprenticeship in medical device engineering is one of the best ways to start. You will get real hands-on experience working with the latest technology, learning from subject matter experts and actually making a difference. And the best part, you won't be doing it alone. That's why I chose Hollister ULC, because this company isn't just about making medical products. It's about people, the people who use our devices, the people who design them, and the people like you who are just starting their careers. At Hollister, we're not just another medical manufacturing company. What stands out is our commitment to innovation, integrity, dignity, stewardship, and creating a supportive environment where everyone can thrive. Start your journey with an engineering apprenticeship at Hollister ULC. Learn, grow, and build something that truly changes lives, all while being part of a company that believes in you.